How to get Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to get Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So don't skip any steps because if you do that, you won't be able to catch up on our steps. So the first thing you need to do is, in order to get your Facebook Marketplace, is to head over to the Play Store right here. If you have App Store, then just click on that because it depends on what device you have. So it's also available on the browser if you're on a desktop. Now once you're in the Play Store or App Store, just search for Facebook right here. And then just wait for it to load, and then once you can see Facebook right here, just install this app right here, and then after you install it, just click on open right here. Now once you have opened it, you can see a lot of icons on the upper corner right here. So this icon is for friends, this icon is for watch, this icon is for the marketplace. So just click on that icon right here and you can see a lot of things that you can get on your Facebook Marketplace. So just click on any one of them, and then after that you should be able to send a message to the seller, send offer, and a lot of things like that. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get Facebook Marketplace. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put them down in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.